Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. So, today I'm going to share with you all what my parents sent me in the package from India. So, this is a Sankrant special package which they sent. So, I'm going to share all details like from where they sent and what was the cost, what was the medium, everything. So, let's start it. So this package was sent by Garuda Vega, which is a courier company which uses like UPS and FedEx to send the parcel. If you will go directly through UPS and FedEx, then it will charge you more. So they sent this package from Pune, India to Seattle, USA, and it was a package of 22 kg, and it cost them something around 15,000, like 14,700 exactly. And this came in 5 to 6 days, but due to snowfall here it came little late, so it took like 7 days, so I think 8 days to come. So now I'm just removing all the stuff from the package, and I will share with you all what they send. So stay tuned. So most of the items are edible only, so it's snacks and sweets. We get it here, but not the same taste as India, like not the authentic taste. So they send lots of snacks for us and for Anaya. So this is the first parcel I received in 5 years. So I will share with you all what they send me. So this is called as Tilkud, the store bought one. So it's basically the til, sesame seed, and I think sugar. So this is Tilkud. And this we usually get at our place in Sankrant only, and these are homemade, so we called it lai, like laddu of murmura and jaggery and poha jaggery, and this is sesame seed, peanut and jaggery laddu. So this we make in India, like in Sankrant, so Sankrant special. These are few chocolate compounds like dark, white and milk chocolate. I love baking, so these are for that. And raisins, these are green raisins package. So here we get, but the quality we don't find like this. So my father sent me these, like only cashew and kismis and dry fruit. Remaining all stuff we get here, but not that good quantity, good quality of cashew and kismis. And few mixture and even papar, bhujia, and these things we get here also, but not that spicy as India. So I prefer to bring them from India. And Lakshmi Narayan light chura, and this is makhana. So this is the plain makhana, so I use for mostly cooking. And this one is salted, so for snacking it's good. So this is roasted and salted one, and this is makhana powder. So I use it to make kheer, that's very healthy and delicious. And this is chitle bandu bhakhar vari. So, and 10 packs of cashew, good quality cashew. So I use cashew a lot in cooking, so that's cashew. And this is sattu, this is from our place, sattu. We don't find this kind of authentic sattu here, we find very rarely, but not that taste. And this is chakli, store bought one. And this is some kind of sweet only, I forgot the name. But yeah, store bought one only. This is kheer mix. So when you send the parcel, you have option to like remove the package and pack it in this kind of transparent bag, so the weight will like reduce little bit, so you can send more items. So that's why they have sent few items removing package. So some petha, a few Nepali noodles, and the orange toffee, and few scrub, and the bindi, and what else, and that is the foil for to wrap the chocolate, and the kheer mix, and few spices like haldi, and these are homemade spices except the haldi and Kashmiri red chili. We get it here also, but if like small package and expensive, and these are homemade, so I prefer homemade only. So my parents sent me because this time we were not be able to go India, or they didn't visit, that's why they sent me this package. So these are some sweets for us, and that was the kachori and few dresses for Anaya. So that's it, and this was 22 kg of package. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you, mama, if you are watching. Thank you so much for the lovely gift. And this one I get the idli maker, because I was having the aluminium one which I wanted to replace. That's why they sent me the steel one. So this is the idli maker I got. That's it for now. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you.